like a...
Abigail. Hi. Oh, no, 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 no. No. You know what? I think we should take the bib off only because she's like, it's getting stuck under her knees. Who needs a bath?
Me.
Did you have a good baptism day?
Do you feel sin-free?
Hey, no. Jesse.
Hey.
I have to take a picture of it.
You gonna crawl? Show everyone how you crawl on camera?
Hey. We're gonna go. Or not go, but...
Where'd it go?
Honey, call her.
Abigail. Abby.
It's like you're
Come
not
here.
full
It
of
sometimes works.
wrapping
Here,
paper.
girl. Here, girl.
No, you're on tape.
Go get it.
What does Daddy have? Abigail. What's funny is she can crawl and she's done it.
She does it at the end
But
of the article.
yes.
She's like, oh, right.
When she's rising. Like, if she's trying to get up on something.
She needs a bath tonight, FYI.
Ah.
Come on, you're gonna crawl?
She's a fish.
Gaba baba. Whoop, shoes.
No shoes.
Shoesy woozy.
Look how mobile she is. Oh, get it, get it. Oh, is she gonna crawl? She was almost.
Nope.
She's so close.
Why crawl when that's faster? She has longer strides.
I.
That is crazy though that you can just be like, I'll figure out a way to get it.
She's always. Hey, no.